Hey people, so there is this show on Netflix called Killer Instinct, and oh my god, of the different kind of crime investigation shows there are on Netflix and on other platforms. This particular show has very these bizarre cases, bizarre to the point of making you feel uncomfortable, I mean, much like the name Killer Instinct, it almost explores how the minds of certain people, of certain killers work. So this is one show I could not normally. I'm very diligent in, even with regard to shows, I like to watch it from, generally, if I'm to give a review of it, even otherwise also, I like to just kind of make sure once I start something I finish it, but not with this series called Killer Instinct, because it'll scare you. So I won't say do try and catch it like I always say, but it is a very eerie show, a very freaky show that you can find on Netflix. It's called Killer Instinct. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.